What's up, MINItruck? I think my wife's jealous of you. Said I've been spending a little bit too much time with you. Yep. Do you know what I told her? That's right. I bought a matching light bar because I like how bright that is. And then, go ahead and laugh. LED undercarriage lights, rock lights, whatever you want to call them.
We need to talk about your FLAIR.
I was going to get just a white one, same amount of money though. You get it with all different colors, so I think that'd look kind of neat.
You do want to express yourself, don't you?
Pretty good quality though. Yeah, I know, Walmart. Gotta have FLAIR.
What do you think of a person who only does the bare minimum?
I'm glad these are metal. Once I mount them, they're gonna have to flex a little. I think they're pretty functional. I'm not much for bling, but you know, these things are actually functional. They've saved my ass, I've saved people's ass. When you're broke down somewhere in the middle of the woods and you gotta work on something, that looks good. They look pretty close. It's not lined up perfect, so I gotta loosen this one and let it come forward. Now it looks nice and straight. Try it out. Woo! Oh yeah, that was just what was needed. Filled in. Have to try this out at night. As soon as we get the rock lights hooked up, that is.
I know. I was just thinking about that. I'm like,
Aluminum. They're actually pretty good. That's not plastic.
yeah, it looks very similar to what I was looking at today too. In Walmart.
Online?
In Walmart.
Oh, the white one, yeah.
It's red, blue, and green.
Yeah, it's RGB.
Right. So there's no white LEDs, so you never get a true white.
Oh yeah?
It's got kind of like a violet color to it.
It's racist. Let's temporarily hook these up and give them a shot. Oh, it's blue.
Yeah.
Oh, they ain't that bright. Actually, probably close to the ground they will be though. It's called headlight. One device, 0 connected. There. Ooh. Huh, that's kind of neat. Wow. Some good shit. Pretty bright. Everything seems to be working, so let's get this hooked up.
We need to talk. Do you know what this is about?
My, FLAIR?
Yeah?
We gotta find a spot for this now. Right there is a pretty good spot, because you can kind of get to it and run the wires. Oh, I see. For flat or round bar. Well, that's a dinky drive shaft, huh? So I think dead center. So like we'll do one here and one right next to it. See, that's tight. They're on there pretty good.
It ain't not gonna hit that high anyway.
If it does, the drive shaft's coming out. I think it's, oh, wait a minute. Alright, now I'm gonna hook these. Alright, slowly pull her. It's all you.
Got it.
There, that'll hold tension even. Keep going. That'll do her. That'll do, pig.
That'll do.
No, yeah, that'll work good.
I mean, if you have one of these in the city, you get in and out of places, do deliveries or anything.
Right.
That'll work.
That'll work, right?
Trim it in. Away you go.
That'll work right like that. There it is.
And then I'll see if I can get this up.
Yeah, I just touched the edge. That should be good enough.
Yeah.
There. There. Yeah, just enough. Wow. I hate cutting it that close.
No wire wasted on that one. It happens.
Yep. Oh my god, that's gonna be tight, boy. I mean, I guess I could do it this way, but just a live one here.
You can do it.
Yeah, my arm, man. just, you know, I mean, that's not really bad, but is that on the lights? It must be. Hold it.
That's a negative grasshopper.
I turned it off.
Well,
How about now?
yes.
They're on?
Yeah. Probably one of the only mini trucks in the world with a fucking ground effects light kit in it. Isn't that nice? Looky there.
There it is. We have to pull it out, of course, but... Well... Whoop. Oh, Jesus, it's really dark. Whoops.
Clotheslined!
That's not too bad. I mean, a couple more lights would have been better, but it is what it is.
But it ain't bad.
No, it's alright. I'm not much into them kind of lights anyway, to be honest, but I did it anyway. Gotta have flair.
All right, there's my flare.
Yeah, thing.
Oh,
Ooh,
God.
oh yeah.
It's like night and day.
Look at that.
It's got a bright center, don't it?
Wow. I can actually lower that bottom one.
Yeah, this is so much like, this enclosed cab is so much better than FLAIR's.
Right?
Oh my God. Can actually get warm if you need to, not freeze to death like you would in that thing.
Exactly. And if it rains, you got windshield wipers.
Yep.
Click on the lights.
Because it's so square, like it feels, it's like not bad. It's just awkward to me because you steer so little and you turn so much.
I know.
Because you're sitting in this little
You're literally
square.
sitting
Like,
in front of the wheels.
yeah, it's weird. Like even when I was driving the box truck, it didn't quite seem like this.
No.
It's funny. Sick.
See, this is still bottoming out.
What's bottoming out? The frame?
Struts.
Struts?
Yeah. Because they're shot. You hear them?
Yeah. You haven't really gotten this thing stuck yet, right?
Oh, no. Want a pound?
Yeah, not yet.
No, oh no.
Looks like you tried.
I backed on it and then it went crunch. I was like, well, no, none of that.
Are we getting out?
Yeah, I want to see the lights.
Pretty good, dude.
Not bad.
This is the type of shit our fathers would laugh at us for, you realize that, right?
I know.
No, I think it's not bad at all.
Yeah, it looks alright.
Dude, the placement of them in the rear is so tough.
Yeah. It works out alright. Watch this.
Yeah, like nothing.
Left-hand drive, you get used to it.
Yeah.
Or right-hand drive, you end up getting used to it. Yeah, mini truck.
Oh, what fell down? Maybe it was his charger. I don't know.
Oh. I don't know.